Okay, we're at next. Probably should have backed this up, but that's okay. What we've been working on is the traveling sidewinder, right? So the steps are gonna go step, 2, 3, 4. Step, 2, 3, 4. Same thing on the other side. Step, 2, 3, step, step, 2, 3. You're stepping on 1 and 4. When you step, the hip goes out, right? So opposite direction of your foot. You technically can step and push your hips forward, but that's a totally different thing. Step goes out. So that's the beginning of your figure 8, right? So if you're gonna go out, up, in, neutral. Out, up, in, it's actually down. Out, up, in, down, out, up, in, down. Your hips are attached, so you're actually doing a figure 8, but it's easier to focus on just the outer hip traveling in its circle, right? So as you step, the hip goes up, 2, 3, 4 is step together so the hips can come back down, left, up, right, center. And then on the direction, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right? So that's just the hips part. I sometimes call this the hooky lao because I learned this first when I was doing hula as a child. So we're gonna layer that with the chest line. So as the hip goes out, the chest goes in the other direction, right? So if the hips go left, the chest goes right. So just for example, you're gonna step, chest is right, hip is left. Up, down, I can't talk. Out, up, right, down, out, up, right, down, out, up, right, down, out, up, right. I can't talk again. Out, up, in, down, out, up, in, down, out, up, in, down, out, up, in, down. So that is that sideways travel. Some people also call this the choo-choo, especially when they do little hand movements like that. But for now, we're just going to have our arms forward as we step. So we're pulling it together with other movements in just a bit.